I'm gonna start this palette and gonna make videos as I go along for you guys. But uh, thank you guys for your support. It's much appreciated. You guys keep us very, very busy. Let me remove my mask because I don't need it. You guys keep us very, very busy, and boy, we're very grateful for the support. There's something that naturally go to the bottom, like all of the liquid detergent. So I'll make sure that if it pops, it's on the ground. But yeah, this is, I make it look easy. It's not necessarily easy, but because when I'm packing up the truck, I kind of have it in my head layout exactly how I'm gonna pack the pallet. But it's just playing Tetris, really, is what it is. It's just coming out and playing Tetris. See, it's not so hard. The aim of the game is to sort of just keep everything level as you go along, because you don't want one side to be higher than the next. So I'm making my way through it. Going so fast, I almost forget to make a final video. All nice and tight, all wrapped up. Yep, ready for the road. I know you see me start at about 5 a.m. Still going, trying to knock up this one, get it out of here. But I'm not crying, because guess what? I can't believe somebody pay me to play Tetris. Look at this shit. I'm playing Tetris. What you do for a living? You probably hate it. Probably hate going into the office. I love this job. I'm for real. I'm not a crybaby about anything, even when I have to work 30 hours a day. Yeah, a day can actually have 30 hours. How about ya? It's unbelievable that somebody that pay me for this. For real. I mean, I get paid well to do this, to play Tetris. I mean, I like a king at Tetris. Like right now, we're up on level 9. We're about to shell it. Yup. Where I grew up. You can catch me almost on my chest. Where I grew up, brother. You see it too. You catch me almost on my chest.